In this video, we will unbox this smartphone from a new brand called AI Plus. I have bought it from Flipkart for around 4,500 rupees. AI Plus is a new Indian brand. Recently, they have launched their 4G and a 5G device in a budget segment. Here I have a 4G model which is AI Plus Pulse. Let's unbox and see what it offers for this price. Actually, as I bought it from Flipkart, it had a open box delivery option, so box is already open. Again, I packed the box for this video. As we open the box, we can see the device itself and a type A to type C charging cable, a user manual, a transparent case, 10-watt adapter and a SIM ejector tool. Now let's switch on and set up the device. This device has a 50 megapixel primary and 5 MP selfie camera and has a side mounted fingerprint sensor in this red color. If you are looking for a secondary smartphone or a basic smartphone for around 5,000, you can consider this device. But as of now, we cannot say much about their customer service and support. If possible, I will bring a detailed review of this phone in the next video. Thank you.